Discover the journey to becoming a financial analyst and stay with us for more insights. Join us as we unravel the secrets of the trade and share expert tips that can help you navigate the world of finance. Don't miss out. Your path to financial expertise begins here. Individuals who possess a strategic mindset and ability to see the broader economic landscape and robust communicative abilities may find a career as a financial analyst to be highly rewarding. Occupying this role, one can delve into diverse sectors, scrutinizing financial patterns, forecasting market movements, and advising on investment strategies and fiscal decisions. Typically, a minimum of an undergraduate degree is essential for a career in financial analysis. Advancing in this field often involves obtaining professional credentials and licenses, which can be pursued after accumulating practical experience. Our comprehensive guide delves into the intricacies of embarking on a career as a financial analyst. Broadly speaking, financial analysts are the guiding force for both businesses and individuals in navigating the complexities of asset management, devising financial strategies, and making informed investment choices. Their expertise lies in transforming voluminous data into actionable insights. While financial analysts are expected to have a comprehensive grasp of market dynamics, they're not required to be omniscient. They usually specialize in a particular sector, geographical area, or product, honing their skills in that niche. Educational path. A bachelor's degree is a standard prerequisite in the finance sector. Degrees in finance, accounting, statistics, economics, or business are highly recommended by the CFA Institute. Career advancement. An MBA isn't mandatory, but can be beneficial for career progression, potentially leading to roles like portfolio or fund manager. Financial analysts are commonly found in office settings, though remote work is also an option. The role can be demanding and stressful, often requiring extended hours to stay abreast of the ever-evolving economic landscape and data shifts. Varieties of financial analyst roles. The financial analyst sector encompasses a range of job designations. Here are some notable examples. Financial risk analysts. They strategize investment choices to minimize prospective financial setbacks. Ratings analysts. They evaluate the ability of businesses or governments to fulfill their financial obligations. Portfolio managers. They're responsible for curating the investment composition within client portfolios and are accountable to investors. Fund managers and portfolio managers. Operating in hedge funds or mutual funds, these professionals execute trading decisions aimed at optimizing financial gains. A solid understanding of economics is crucial for these experts, as well as the ability to decipher and analyze financial reports. Depending on their area of focus, they may also need knowledge of special legal and ethical standards related to their field. Post-research, financial analysts are tasked with decision-making. The impact of their advice can be significant, influencing an organization's future. Therefore, they must be both comprehensive and resolute. It's imperative for analysts to articulate their findings and recommendations with clarity, often through written reports or oral presentations. Pursuing a career as a financial analyst could be a lucrative choice for those aiming for an income above the norm. The median yearly income for professionals in this field was reported at $96,220 as of May 2022 per data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS. Analysts specializing in the information services sector are at the top of the pay scale with an average annual compensation of $148,040. Join our vibrant community by subscribing to our channel for the latest updates and amazing content. Tap that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay in the loop.